Welcome to English Library channel. Push down. Put here. Push up. Push down. Pull out. Bring down. I know what he wants. I don't know what he wants. Don't you know what he wants? Change your plans. Don't change your plans. You should change your plans. Should I change my plans? You shouldn't change your plans. Do you know what he wants? She did that without his help. She could do that without his help. Could she do that without his help? She couldn't do that without his help. They blame us. Do they blame us? They don't blame us. Don't they blame us? What are you going to do now? I know what to do. I don't know what to do. Do you know what to do? I am not going to do anything.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம நம்மளோட சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இதே மாதிரி நிறைய சூப்பரான வீடியோஸை பார்க்க மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணி ஆல் அப்படின்னு செட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. மறுபடியும் இதே மாதிரி ஒரு சூப்பரான வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். Until then, you take care. Thanks for watching.